Hi, so good to see you.
Hi, you too. It's been a long time.
Yes, when did we last meet? At Sarah's party?
I think so. That was 3 months ago.
Wow, time goes fast. How are you?
I'm okay. Work is busy. What about you?
I'm also busy, but I miss talking with you.
Me too. Let's meet for coffee this week.
This weekend sounds perfect. Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday is better for me. What about you?
Saturday works. Morning or afternoon?
Let's meet in the afternoon, maybe around 3.
Sounds good. Where should we go?
How about the new cafe near the park?
Oh yes, I heard it's nice.
They have great coffee and snacks.
Perfect. We can talk and relax.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. It will be fun to catch up.
Okay, it's a plan. See you on Saturday.
See you? Can't wait.